Hello children, let's learn rhymes.
One, two, three, four, five. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. One, two, three, four. Oh no! One little duck is missing. Four little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. One, two, three. Oh dear, two baby ducks are missing. Three little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. One, two. Only two baby ducks came back? Two little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One? One little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. Oh no! All my baby ducks are missing? Oh. Sad mommy duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said quack, 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 quack. All five little ducks came back. One, two, three, four, five! Yeah!
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master and one for my dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane.
like, share, subscribe and press bell icon for next notification. Thank you.